let me show you how I made these very short intros and outros in Powtoon. I am on the dashboard and I say customize a ready-made Powtoon. Yes, I'll take this one, a CEO's inspiration, and if you put your mouse over it you can see it playing. And now I say edit. I only use one slide. It's this slide. And I delete the rest. Yeah, so I will say delete, delete. This means I have the structure of this slide. And what I'm going to do is to change this person. I can say swap. And I will change it in this person. See, now you see the girl, the woman. And I want to change the text. Then I'm going to make it bold. Maybe a little bit bigger. And this is going to be Powtoon. And a little bit smaller. And for the rest we leave it like this. Maybe you can move it a little bit. But since this is a pre-populated slide, I tend to leave it as much as I can. I have the slide. Now I only want to put some music under it. You do that over here and you say soundtrack. Then you look for a soundtrack on your computer or you use one of those. I have put this music under it. It's called Funtime Rag. Then we say apply. And now you can play it. Let's play it. This is all. And then you can export it over here. And I have a business account, so I can export it to MP4, intro YouTube, to marketing and sales, unlisted, next, and I can say full HD, download Powtoon. And it will send me a message when it's ready. Now let's make the outro. I'm using the same set of slides. And in this case, I'm going to use 3. That is this one, and this one. And the rest I'm going to delete. And this one is going to be at the end. I'm just moving it here. A little lower and still a little bit lower. Now it has the right order. So let's change this in like this video. Make it a little bit bigger. And this one can be deleted. The wow we're going to put a little bit higher. Maybe we can make it bold or bigger. This is the first slide. The second slide we can change the text. Stay tuned for more. That's the second slide. And over to the third. This can be deleted. And this we're going to change in subscribe. And I will leave the coming of the people just as it is, because this is a well-made slide. Now we just have to add some music and the outro is done. There's work to be done. I think this is a sound from Powtoon itself. Then you say apply. And you can preview it over here. What is important is that the figures are sort of arriving on the screen in sync with the music. This is how easy it is to make an outro. In my case, I only say subscribe and do not a lot of other things. I think one thing is enough. To recap, for the intro, I only used one slide and changed the text. It is about 3 seconds. For the outro, I have used 3 slides in the same sphere. I have used what Powtoon already has made for me as much as I could, and I have made an outro of 18 seconds. Very easy, very short.